Evening traders, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, January 25th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. Here, looking at market status channel real quick. These are thoughts I post every day in here. Typically do this in the presentation like you all know used to, but a bit of a time crunch, so skipping that step. Here we have the tick US model. You can see everything is trending higher. Bit of a consolidation day with the cumulative tick itself. We had this set up last week, I believe, where the um, short-term moving average ribbon starting to flatten out along with cumulative tick itself. What we want to see here is this progress sideways to higher. If we do see a rollover, typically good sign to lock in some profits with the rally. So yeah, that's what we will be watching for tomorrow. Flat filtered tick today. New highs continue to outpace new lows. That is a constructive sign here. Here you have our tick ARCX model. Again, everything is trending higher. Good to see. One thing to note here is starting to be a gap between the cumulative tick itself, long-term moving average ribbon. We know when this happens, um, odds increase that we do see some form of consolidation, pullback, long-term moving average ribbon. Should always be expecting that. So if you're looking to engage new longs here, that is just something to consider for risk management purposes. Moving down to the SPY Gamma dashboards, work through this real quick. This is SPY. Here we have our SPY, sorry, that's the wrong one. Here we go. Here we have the SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning. You can see 400, massive level. This is transition area. Additionally, a lot of delta here, a lot of open interest here. So again, no surprise that price oscillated around this price level. To the upside, we have 405, 410 ultimately, which is your plus GEX. To the downside, of 400 fails, 395, 390, which is your negative GEX. Again, just looking at other cuts of data real quick, we have 0 DTE, 400 was a big level. Tomorrow's DTE, 400 big level. Remainder of the week, 400 again, big level. So yep, just something to keep in mind there. Again, then moving over to price action itself real quick here, we're just going to look at the SPY chart, looking at the daily first, 390 big level. Again, then we have local highs, local lows identified in the context of kind of the trading range that we've been in. Important to note those. As we zoom in here again, start to refine, kind of going from the macro levels to the micro levels. Within the hourly chart, again, you can see the trading range within a trading range, so to speak. Again, continue to zoom in. See a lot of price action, trading range chopping around the 400 kind of on an intraday basis. Zooming into the 2-minute time frame, again below 399, call it. I am more inclined to think price is trading towards 297, meaning I want to risk against this level for a trade down to this level. However, keep in mind this is against tick, so tick is strong. However, if we do start to see an intraday rollover, that being the cumulative tick, then I would be more inclined to take intraday trades on an intraday basis, not necessarily a longer term time frame, because longer term we are still in an uptrend. If you are confused about that, come on in the Discord, ask away. More than happy to walk you through this. As we slap on a gamma levels, just so happens 399 is a 0 gex, coincidence or not, I don't think so. But anyways, again, 399, good level to risk against. If you do see a break, 399 to P-trans, this is a tailor-made trade that we have. This is back-tested trade. If you want to see stats on that, come on in the Discord. Again, from once we get to P-trans, next stop would be plus GEX up at 410. However, we have these levels to work through as well. To the downside, we have COTMP, and we have negative trans, then negative GEX. So again, important levels. Should be crystal clear what the key levels heading into tomorrow are. Again, quickly, let's just work through a couple common stops that I like to look at a lot. Apple. Again, key local highs, local lows on 2-minute time frames. So you have TMP to the downside and would be a first stop if we continue lower. And then looking at Tesla, again, trading a massive trading range here. COTMP down here, 0 GEX, positive trans up here. Again, levels clearly defined. Again, tomorrow once the session opens, make sure you go in the bots, run it for fresh levels in case they do move. Yeah, so with that, best of luck tomorrow. Level should be clear. Any questions, come on in the Discord, ask away, GammaEdge.us, where you can find us. Bye.